How to withdraw money from Payoneer to bank account. So the step are so simple to follow. After you open up now your Payoneer app like this, now go ahead and tap on this, tap on your profile at the top right side, this one. So after you tap on your profile like this, now scroll to down and go to this your bank account. So from this option, now it will ask you to add in your bank that you want to withdraw the money. So I already have two banks links to my Payoneer account. So if you want to add new bank, just tap on this plus button. From there, it will allow you now to add a new bank. So after you add the new bank that you want to withdraw the money, all you have to do now, go back to the home page of the Payoneer account. Just go back to the home page of the Payoneer account. So after you come to the home page, now go ahead and tap on this action. So from this action, go ahead and tap on this withdraw to bank. So from this option now, go and select the USDT just go and select the coin you want to withdraw. So for me, I want to withdraw USD. So after you select the USD, from there, in this option now, the second option, it will ask you to type in the amount. The third option, it will ask you to confirm the bank details. And the last option, it will ask you to confirm the verification code. From there, the money will be sent into your bank account. That's it, guys, on how to withdraw money from Payoneer to bank account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.